In today's rapidly evolving global marketplace, staying competitive requires more than just keeping up. It demands a strategic approach to supply planning that's both efficient and resilient. Automation and AI are revolutionizing the way we plan and manage supply chains. Imagine a system where 30% reduction in forecasting errors. AI-driven models analyze historical sales data, weather patterns, and market trends with unparalleled precision. 20% lower inventory costs. Optimized inventory levels mean less excess stock, freeing up capital for other vital investments. 98% on-time delivery. Real-time data analytics anticipate and address disruptions before they escalate, ensuring smooth operations. This is more than just technology. It's the fusion of cutting-edge innovation with human insight to build a supply chain that's not only efficient but also adaptable and resilient. Our expertise extends across diverse industries, each with its own unique challenges: maritime trade, port and container terminal operations, logistics, transport intelligence, chemical manufacturing, farming and agriculture, lubricant solution providers, chemical and equipment supply chain, bearing industry. Whether you're in maritime trade, logistics, or chemical manufacturing, our solutions are tailored to your industry's specific needs. We help you leverage AI and automation to transform your supply chain, driving efficiency and growth. Don't let complexity hold you back. Explore how our advanced solutions can elevate your supply chain to new heights. Visit our website below to learn more.